So ozone layer over a certain region is given by this expression, and it said that it decreases by 4% in 10 years. So decrease by 4% means, first, what is the amount of layer initially? So if t is equal to 0, that's 50 plus 80, because this part becomes 1 e to the power 0, so that's 130. So 4%, it decreases by 4%, that means what remains is 96%. So 96% of 130 is 124.8. So after 10 years, what remains is 124.8. So 124.8, 50 plus 80 e to the power minus k times 10. So this information we will use to find the k. So what we can do, 80 e to the power minus 10k is equal to 124.8 minus 50, and then this one we can rewrite like that. So we will just write the whole thing there, and then over 80, and then if we get rid of the e exponential, we get ln here, and it becomes 124.8 minus 50 over 80, sorry. So k becomes, so this will be this actually becomes minus 0.0672, something like that, and then these two gets cancelled. So finally this is 7209 times 10 to the power minus 3. That's the value of k. Now we need to find out by what percentage it decreases over 50 years. So after 50 years, what is the remaining? So that is 50 plus 80 e to the power minus 6.7209 times 10 to the power minus 3 times 50. T is 50, so I've just plugged in that thing, and what we get is 107.167, something like that. And that is in terms of percentage, that will be, we have to find by what amount does it decrease. So the 130 minus 107.167 over 130 times 100% is the amount by which it decreases. So that is 17.6%. Lastly, we have to find by after how many years it decreases by 40%. So when it decreases by 40%, remains is q. So 60% will remain, so that is 0.6 times 130 we can do, and we get that 78. So what will remain is 78, and then 50 plus 80 again, e to the power minus kt. I will just write k now for the time being. In this case again we have to find t after how many years. So that's 80 here, e to the power minus kt, that's 28, and then e to the power minus kt is 28 over 80. So minus kt is ln 28 over 80, and then t will be, so k is 6.7209 times 10 to the power minus 3, and then t, and then ln here is 28 times 80. So basically this one will be, t will be approximately 156 years if we do this thing, because this one ln 28 over 80 is approximately 1.05, and then when that gets divided by, so t will be 1.05 over 6 points, so there is a negative there, these two negative gets cancelled, and 6.7209 times 10 to the power minus 3, if we do this division we get approximately 156 years. So that's it.